Good day, good morning to everyone. My name is Hans Villaflor and this is introduction to MS-DOS commands. So, baka medyo po maingay sa likod kasi po, sa home shop lang po ako nag-record. So anyway, what is MS-DOS? MS-DOS or Microsoft Disk Operating System is a command line operating system. Commands are text instructions typed in the command prompt. They allow the user to interact with the computer without a graphical interface. Examples are creating files, copying data, managing directories, checking system infos. Why are MS-DOS commands used? To perform file management, create, delete, copy, or move. To manage directories, navigate, and organize files. To check and configure system settings, useful for troubleshooting when GUI is unavailable, still relevant for IT professionals and system administrators. So, ito po yung mga basic MS-DOS commands. Ito po yung isang example is dir. Let me show yung sample. Ito po yung demonstration is dir. Yan, show all directories in a file folder. Then, ito po yung natin is F. Ayan na. Nasa F na po tayo. Which is ito lang po yung makikita dapat. So, let's see. Try natin i-rename yung e.txt to txt1. Necessary po nakasama yung extension pag magre-rename po. Ayan. Nagbago. Tapos, itry po natin i-move yung txt1 to folder. Yan. Hindi po siya sensitive sa casing. So, basta magkapareho po ng pangalan is gagana siya. Yan. On files move. Yan. Nabago po. Tapos, let's see. Para kung maka-exit dito, just type exit. And, i-tackle naman po natin is yung sa disk part. So, ito po yung proof na nasa com shop lang po ako nagre-record. PCC list disk select disk 1 kasi alam ko nandun po yung USB ko. Disk 1 is now selected. List volume kung ano po yung nandun. Yan. Hans. Yan. Tapos select volume 1. Selected na po yung USB ko. At ito na, simulan natin i-format. Clean. It's now selected. Ayan, wala na. So, makikita natin is di na pwede. Clean, tapos partition primary. Oh, hindi, mali. Wait. Teka. So, I'm back. Kasi po nakalimutan ko po yung commands. So, ito po yung para makapag-create ng partition. Primary. Yan, succeed. Tapos, po yung format. Saglit lang to kasi naka-quick. Tinry ko kanina, wala yung quick. Sobrang tagal. Na-corrupt yung kailangan ko i-format. Yun, 100%. Tapos, assign. Yun. Kapag titignan natin sa File Explorer, ayan, ito na siya. Wala na yung pangalan at ginawa ko kaninang mga files. Okay. In conclusion, MS-DOS commands are the foundation of computer operations. They provide direct control over files, directories, and system resources. Even in modern computing, understanding these commands is valuable for troubleshooting, automation, and system management. Dagdag ko lang din po dito, masaya po siyang pag-aralan. Kung may sarili lang po akong PC, pag-aaralan ko po talaga. So anyways, thank you for listening. Thank you for watching.